So you've dedicated years to building your expertise. You've perfected your framework, maybe you even wrote the book on it. But what if your most valuable, most powerful ideas are, well, trapped, unable to really reach their full potential? Let's talk about how to set them free.
You know, this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We're surrounded by brilliant ideas, but the real magic, the real impact, happens when you can put those ideas directly into people's hands in a way they can actually engage with.
So I have to ask you, is your best knowledge trapped? For so many authors and consultants, the answer is a really frustrating yes. You've done all the hard work, but is your knowledge really working for you around the clock?
I bet this looks familiar. That book you poured your heart into gets read once and then sits on a shelf. The amazing energy from your workshop just kind of fades away after it's over. And your best frameworks, they're buried in some old slide deck. In every single one of these cases, your incredible value is locked up and its earning potential is capped.
And this is so important to understand. The problem isn't you. It's not the quality of your knowledge. Your expertise is rock solid. The real issue is the format, the container it's in. The delivery system is what's holding you back. And that's the exact problem we're here to solve.
So how do you break it free? How do you actually unlock all that expertise? Well, this is where we come in. Neurosphere is the bridge that takes you from that static content to a living, breathing, interactive reality that works for your audience and for your bottom line.
To put it simply, we build digital versions of your knowledge. We transform your intellectual property into assets that can serve, teach, and engage people 24/7. This creates ongoing value and revenue long after you've stepped away from the keyboard.
So what does this actually look like? Well, that printed book becomes an interactive app with tools that can create new, recurring revenue. Your slide decks and frameworks become an AI assistant that serves your clients on demand. And all those scattered course materials, we can turn them into a premium, structured online academy. We do this through 3 core services. We can build those interactive book apps to bring your content to life. We can create AI-powered knowledge systems trained on your unique expertise. And we can build out full structured learning management systems that get amazing completion rates.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complex, but we've designed our process to be totally straightforward. We'll guide you on a simple, 4-step journey that takes you all the way from your initial concept to a fully launched, polished product. It all starts with step 1, clarify. We have a deep discovery session to really understand your vision. Next, we map. We design the entire blueprint so you can see and approve everything before we write a single line of code. From there, our expert team gets to work and we build it. Finally, we launch, handling all the deployment, testing, and tweaking. You bring the expertise, we handle the entire tech journey. And listen, this isn't just theory for us, it's a proven model. So let's take a look at the real-world value this creates for experts just like you. Take a look at this. For one consultant, we took a framework that was just buried in old slide decks and turned it into an interactive web app with an AI assistant. Boom, their expertise was working around the clock. For a course creator, we took scattered content and built a structured academy. Their student completion rates just soared. This is the real, tangible impact of making that switch. And I want to be crystal clear about this. These are not what-if scenarios. We're not talking about what's possible. We're showing you what we have already built and delivered. Our track record is everything.
And that brings us to this moment, right now. Because we're creating a very unique strategic opportunity for a small, focused group of new clients who are ready to make this transformation.
10. That's it. We are opening just 10 new project slots. Why so few? To make sure that each one gets our absolute full attention and focus. These 10 slots are available at a specially discounted rate. We're doing this because we're looking to build our next set of flagship case studies, which makes this a one-time strategic offer. So, why act now? Well, this discounted rate will not be repeated. As soon as these 10 slots are filled, the next opening will be at our full standard pricing. But more importantly, every month you wait is another month that your potential for recurring revenue and passive income just sits on the shelf. It's time. It's time to stop letting your best ideas collect dust. This is your invitation to start that journey, to transform your hard-earned knowledge into a living, interactive reality. So I'll ask you one last time. If you're an author or a consultant who's ready to build a scalable digital asset that can generate value for years to come, are you ready to turn what you've built into something the world can truly use? Your next step is incredibly simple. Just click the link you see and fill out our short project brief. It honestly takes less than 5 minutes. Tell us about your work, tell us about your vision, and our team will outline a clear path forward for you. Those 10 discounted slots are available right now, but they will not last. Let's start your transformation.